Hello! This video I'm just going to show you what I keep for the most part in the fridge and pantry. I'm a little sweaty and gross, sorry. Okay, we'll start with the freezer first. So I always keep some frozen fruit. Got frozen mangoes, frozen organic cherries, raspberries, strawberries, pineapple, and I try to keep some frozen vegetable too. So I have some broccoli and some corn. Everything else you see in here is not mine. It is not vegan. Alright, so for the fridge, I always keep some greens. So I have some organic romaine. I also have some organic spring mix. I have a big thing of it. I always keep a lot of greens. Some vegetables I have, organic carrot, some organic beets from my garden, avocado, and I always keep some citrus, so I just got a big bag of limes. I have what's left of a lemon and some black beans. I always keep some beans on hand. I just have some homemade applesauce. It's apple season, so of course I have lots of apples, and we get a lot of apple cider. This one's almost gone. So some condiments that I always keep, we'll do milk first, I guess. I always keep some milk. Obsessed with flax milk at the moment. Some creamer also. The brand varies. And just because it's kind of getting chilly out, some spicy nog. Okay, so for condiments. Always mustard. I go through so much mustard, it's terrible. This bottle is huge. I got 2 of these for a really good price, and it's organic. That's even better. Of course, sriracha. I always have that. And I love strawberry and raspberry, either jam or preserves, not jelly. Just make sure they're made with a fruit pectin and no gelatin. That's gross. And hot sauce, some garlic for baking, cooking, not baking. That's pretty much it for the fridge. Again, anything else you see in here, not mine. Some pantry items we'll go through. Always have rice on hand. I've been switching over to brown rice because it's filled with so much fiber and I eat less of it. I can put away so much white rice, but if I eat brown rice, I don't eat that much. Hemp seeds, nutritional yeast. This is kind of like my cabinet up here. Buckwheat groats, organic coconut sugar, pumpkin seeds, some dried fruit. Yeah, it's pretty much that. Always have lots of oats. This is not in any sort of order at all. It's in a really bad order. Oats, always for oatmeal and some recipes. A big thing of medjool dates. It's a pretty good size. These are not the best dates for eating. They're okay for like making a crust or something with. Not too terrible. Some carb things. Let's see. Oh, so I always have some beans on hand. Well, also some barley. I have black-eyed peas that are soaking right now that I'm gonna make some curry. Put in some curry that I make. Some split lentils, quinoa, and also some kind of pasta up there. Just make sure it doesn't have egg in it. Tahini, another condiment. So good. It's so good. And I also have some homemade almond butter that I have been, I don't know, it's probably like 2 months old. I probably shouldn't keep it that long, but I don't eat too much of it, so. And then some more jams and preserves. And some spices. Okay, almost done. So I usually have some beans and some red sauce on hand. I don't have very many beans at this time. Also, like lots of tea. Oh, I keep greens too, so I put this in my smoothie that I have almost every morning. It just has tons of greens in it, and it's not citrus flavor, although it is orange. It's not. It's just, this is the original. Just kind of silly. Some matcha tea powder. Oh, vanilla bean paste. This stuff is really good. It's kind of stronger than regular vanilla, I think. Coconut milk. I need that for later. Oh, some peanut butter. This is cinnamon raisin. Kind of weird, but it's not that bad. Cacao powder. Ooh, up here. Cacao powder. I have another bag of cacao powder. And some maca powder. You do not need these at all. It's just like an extra little boost in like a smoothie. Blackstrap molasses. That's really high in iron. Really good. Just some more peanut butter. A little excessive. And of course, B12. This is basically, I guess, a video of everything I have that I eat. Also some potatoes. I'm just gonna use the rest of these tonight. These are just russet. And I usually have some vegetables from my garden. Some squash hanging around, ripening. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, I think that's it. So that's just an idea of what I always like to keep on hand. And hopefully this gives you guys some ideas of some foods to keep to make it easy and simple, and just some things to always have on hand if you're in a pinch. And most of the things are fast and easy to make. And yeah, I hope you like this video. It's kind of weird, very unorganized, sorry. But I thought I would just show you guys what I have on hand all the time. Yeah, thanks for watching. Just went on a walk with this guy also. He's pretty whipped. More like a run than walk. Hi! Hi, big guy. Miss you! Miss you!